knowing that 15 is 16 minus 1, determine the exact location of root 15 on the number line. Okay, so what we want to do is we would like to make a nice right angled triangle. Okay, so I'm going to so something like that. So if we're looking at 15, 16, and 1, so what we're saying is that this side is 1. So we're saying, so 15 is equal to 16 take away 1. We're saying that, this is going to be, let's say, b squared is equal to c squared minus a squared. Because, well, 16 is bigger than 15 and 1, so that makes that side your c if we're trying to make a right angle triangle. Okay, so that makes 15 the b and 1 the a. All right, so if we're looking at the square roots of these guys, we're saying that b squared is 15, then b is equal to root 15, and c is equal to root 16, which is 4, and a is equal to the square root of 1, which is 1. Okay, so we're saying 1, this is 4, and this is going to be root 15. Okay, so then, when we go to put that on the number line, what we're going to end up doing is something like this. We're going to build it this way. So the 4 is going to be here. And then the 1 is going to come off the 4, but notice it doesn't come off at a right angle, right? So we end up getting something like this, where this is going to be our square root of 15, and this is going to be our 1. So we're going to be using the theorem of Thales, right, which says that if you have a triangle inscribed in a semicircle, it's always right angled. Okay, so we're going to do that. Okay, so we're going to make our semicircle here, and the 4 is going to be inscribed on that. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to take my handy dandy compass. And adjust it. The radius is 2, so the diameter is 4. Okay, something like that. And then, because I want to get my triangle kind of going this way, I'm going to make the 1 come up to here. Okay, so I'm just going to measure, I'm going to adjust it so my compass's length is 1. And then I'm just going to make a little arc here, like that. Okay, so we know that this length is 1. Okay, and you can, these guys are centimeters, right? And you can measure that as a centimeter. Good. And this length is going to therefore be my square root of 15. Like that. And there's my right angle. Okay, so this is root 15, and then I'm going to adjust my compass to that length. Okay, and then just make an arc. Alright, and there it is. So that gives us the square root of 15, which is right there. Root 15. Okay, let's just check the handy dandy calculator. And so 15 square root is 3.8729. Okay, and notice where that is. Okay, that is quite close to 4, 3.87, very close to 3.9, which is, I would say this is right on. Okay. And that's it for part 4 of activity number 2. Have a good day.